and now you're ready to sew. I tend to sew together all the pieces that I've pinned instead of going backwards and forwards and ironing this out and the other piece, so that you work smoother and also faster. So when you're sewing, just put the next piece straight under and do them all in one go. Attach the bias binding together there as well, then do the back lining. Now we're going to sew around the tabs. Now you really have to take your time with that and do stitch by stitch, lifting the presser foot up and then putting it back down and going all the way around, leaving a gap on the long one obviously so that you can turn it inside out. And I think you can see that in a minute. See, I've speeded this up, of course, this video, and you can imagine how slowly I was actually doing this, coming around the curve. Now there you can see where I leave the gap. Equally now I sew together the front and the front lining. And again, just put the next piece straight under it. And presto, we're ready, and we can now go on to the next stage, which is our cutting back seam allowances and ironing. Sew on the tab, cut the seam allowance back, push the tab through, and make sure that you lift out all the edges. You can use a pin for that if you like, and get it ready for the iron.